Good morning. I request Kevin sir to start the session.
Morning, one and all. Just a minute. Okay, good morning, dear friends. So, we'll continue with our questions today. So, one thing you may get fed up with the straight lines, but what to do? Is the topic and very much as far as important from the point of view of both the mains and advanced exams. So, we are solving a lot of problems. I think already we have crossed 150 questions, I think so. Still, there are a lot of questions to solve. So, don't get what is it called as what is called monotonous to solve the same topic problems. Try to uh, learn the concepts. One thing, it's also a plus point. There is a lot of problems without you knowing. When you write all the formulas and so on, you learn the formulas. Uh, So most of things, since already you are solving and you are learning know a lot of methods already. So that is one plus point when you solve a lot of problems. So still there are a lot of questions. Still almost some another 300 to 400 questions are there. What I am telling is what they asked in the board level exam. Is what is called as mains and uh, IIT advanced level. Then what is the other ones? Mains and advanced level and AI triple E exam. IIT exams. So all those exams questions itself I am doing. Apart from that, few well-known questions from the academies they prepare. Every year they do some research and they do some problems. So these things are the ones we are doing. So in that point of view, what is this called as? The straight lines is important. I don't get just watch from 1 month we are doing straight lines solve. Okay, I will continue the class. Oh. Now today's question is the equation of the line on which the perpendicular makes an angle of 30 degree with x positive direction of x axis. That means there is one equation of line. That line is making an perpendicular. Means that line is perpendicular is making an angle 30 degree with positive x axis. There is a line whose line is perpendicular is making an angle 30 degree with positive x axis, and this line is making a triangle with coordinate axis. That's what I've drawn. The line is making an angle triangle with a coordinate axis. The area of this triangle is given. The area of triangle is 50 by root 2. Sorry, 50 by root 3. You have to find the equation of that line. You have to find the equation of the line. So we'll take the given. What is the given first thing? The given is the line is making a what is called as a the line's perpendicular is making an angle 30 degree with the coordinate axis. Means there is a line, the line's perpendicular with a positive x-axis, it is making an angle 30 degree. That means this is nothing but this is what, let us say if I name this O and P, what is this OP? What is OP is called as, dear students?
Perpendicular distance between line and the point, sir.
Perpendicular distance, although it is called as normal. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular distance can also be like this. If you take the other one, now this can be also a perpendicular distance. But to say very clearly, it is a normal. That means I have to write the equation of the line in normal form. What is the equation of a line in normal form? The equation of a line in normal form. What is the equation of a line in normal form? No idea. No idea. X cos alpha. At least now you continue. Plus y sin alpha is equal to P. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. What is my alpha here?
30 degrees.
What is my alpha here?
Angle, sir.
That's what is the alpha here?
30 degrees.
30 degree. So it becomes x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to P. Cos 30 is equal to
Root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2
1 by 2.
equal to P. To simplify this one, root 3x plus y is equal to 2P. So this is the equation of my line. Means this line's equation is this one. And if you look carefully, this line is cutting my coordinate axis and I given the area of a triangle. So what is the area of a triangle when the straight line equation is given? The area of a triangle A is equal to, come on, basic area of triangle, we have done almost some 70 problems. What is the area of a triangle? Almost 75 problems we have done. Area of triangle. What is the
Mod
formula of area of a
AX1 plus
triangle?
mod AX1 plus B1 plus
Hey, that is the perpendicular distance formula. Area of triangle, what is the formula? Come on, how are you writing your weekend exam without knowing the formulas? A is equal to C square by, at least complete the formula now. C square by
2AB.
2 into mod of
Mod
AB.
AB.
So what is my value of C square? That is minus 2P whole square by 2 into root 3 into 1. That is equal to 4P square divided by 2 root 3. So this is my area of a triangle. But they are telling area of a triangle is 50 by root 3. Therefore, 50 by root 3 is equal to 4p square is equal to 4p square by 2 root 3. So root 3 get cancels. 2 ones are 2 twos are, and 2 ones are 2 25 are. Therefore, p square is equal to 25. Therefore, p is equal to plus or minus 5. Therefore, equation will become as what is the equation? It will become as equation will become as root 3x plus y is equal to plus or minus 5. Do you understand? Okay. Is it clear? Shall we go for the next question? Is it clear? I got any doubt with regard to solving a problem of this sort? Everybody have got clear with this answer?
So
Yes, Vignesh?
in the equation, I think we should get root 3x plus y equal to plus or minus 10, because first equation root
It is
3.
2p. Okay, 2p means it will come plus or minus 10. Very good. So we got only the value of p here. Okay. The next question is a straight line is making an intercept on y-axis. Yes, a straight line is making an intercept on y-axis, but this y-axis is double the intercept of x-axis. There is one straight line. It is making an intercept on y-axis. This y-axis intercept is double the x-axis. That means it can be like this. Sorry. It can be like this, miss. It's not. No. Now it can be like this. Miss, my straight line is making an y intercept, which is double the x intercept. That one condition. Another one condition is that it has got a unit distance from the origin. The straight line has got a unit distance from the origin. Given those two conditions, find the equation of the line. First condition is that my y-intercept is double the x-intercept. And second given condition is that it has got a unit distance from the origin. So, first of all, what type of line is this one? What type of line is this one? What type of line equation is this one? Which form?
Intercept
What is the intercept form equation?
x plus y by b equal to
X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now, what is the given condition is? First given condition is y-intercept is double twice the x-intercept. Plus y-intercept is double the x-intercept. Correct now.
sir.
If x-intercept is a means, what is my y-intercept? Sorry, I have drawn the diagram wrong. This one. First we like this. This is my x-intercept. This is okay. If x-intercept is a means, what is my y-intercept?
2b,
Hey, 2a.
2a.
Correct, no? It's double the x-intercept. If x-intercept is a means, let us say if x-intercept is 5 means, y-intercept will be 10. Correct, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
If when our x-intercept is a means we can't take y-intercept as b because b can be any other value. So if my x-intercept is a means my y-intercept is 2a. If x-intercept is 3 means my y-intercept is 6. So therefore, what happens? The equation will become as x by a plus y by y by 2a is equal to 1. Now, if you simplify the equation, this will become as 2x plus y is equal to 2a. To simplify the equation, it will become as 2x plus y is equal to 2a. Now, what is the second condition they are given? First condition is this one. What is the second condition they are given? First condition is that y intercept is double the x intercept. What is the second condition? Why silent everybody? I am asking the question only. What is the second condition? Second condition is that I written the condition question. Plus, I written the question. The second condition is that the distance of the line to origin is how much unit? Is a 1 unit. Is unit. 1 unit. That means the distance between the line and the origin is 1 unit. That means the distance of this line with the origin is 1 unit. That means what they are given. What are they given? From this line to this origin is 1 unit. What is that they are given? Hello. Are you in the
Length of
meet?
a normal line.
Pardon?
Length
Did
of a
somebody say
normal
something?
line.
The normal length, the perpendicular distance length. This d is equal to, now that value is, tell me the formula for d.
Mod ax1 plus by1 plus
Yes, very good. Ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root
under
of
root
a square
a
plus
square
b
plus
square.
b square.
Since we are doing almost from last 3 days, I think almost some 60 problems you have done, at least you have learned this formula. Now if you simplify this one, 0 plus 0 plus 2a whole divided by root of 4 plus 1.
Sir,
Yes,
I I think we should get minus 2a.
pardon?
Minus 2a, sir.
Okay, yes, minus 2a. That will be this one. So therefore, it is equal to 2a by root 5, and value of d is 1. That is equal to root 5 is equal to 2a. Therefore, a is equal to root 5 by 2. A is equal to root 5 by 2. So therefore, the equation will become as, what is the equation they are given is 2x plus y is equal to 2a. Therefore, 2x plus y is equal to root 5.
Root 5.
So this will be the equation of the line.
2x.
Excuse me. Okay, next question is the equation of a line perpendicular to the given line. The equation of a line perpendicular to 12x minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0. equation of a line perpendicular to this line, that is for 12x minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0, and distance of 2 units from a point minus 2 comma 3. A distance of 2 units. Distance of 2 units from the point minus 2 comma 3. So do you understand the given conditions? You have to find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line, and which is 2 units from the point minus 2 comma 3. So first thing, we should find the line equation. So if this is the line, what is the line equation of the perpendicular line? If 12x minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0, what is the equation of a perpendicular line?
bx minus ay plus c equal to 0 plus k.
Pardon?
bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0.
So this will become as
bx minus
5x
a
plus 12y plus k is equal to 0. So this will become as 5x plus 12y plus k is equal to 0. Now to find the value of k only, they given the second condition. To find the value of k, they give a second condition. So using the second condition, you have to find the value of k now. So what is the condition they give? This line has got a distance of 2 units from the point minus 2 comma 3. Means there is one line here, some line. This line has got a distance of 2 units from this point minus 2 comma 3. So they are given this distance to this line. So using this condition, you have to find the value of k. So this is nothing but they are given the length of the perpendicular distance. The length of the perpendicular. So therefore, this will become as a d is equal to mod of ax1 plus 3y1 plus c is equal to 0. Sorry, plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So our equation is just, I'll write the equation here. Our equation is 5x plus 12y plus k minus 2 comma 3. So when you simplify all these things in the formula, you will get it as 5 minus 2 as minus 10 plus 12 into 3 as plus 36 plus k divided by root of 25 plus 144. This mod is there in the beginning on top. This will be is equal to minus 10 plus 36 is equal to plus 26 plus k mod of divided by root of 169. 169 means 13.
13.
So the entire distance they are told as 2 units. If you simplify this one, I get 26 is equal to mod of k plus 26. So if I take the mod outside, I'll get plus or minus 26 is equal to k plus 26. So the positive values of k is equal to 0, or else k is equal to minus 52. Therefore, I'll get two equations. One equation is 5x plus 12y is equal to 0, or else I'll get 5x plus 12y is equal to 52. The two possible equations is 5x plus 12y is equal to 0, or else 5x plus 12y is equal to 52. Hmm. Do you understand? This question was asked in JEE mains the year 2019 August. Go for the next question. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So next question. Hmm. The point on y-axis, the point on y-axis is a distance of B unit from the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Means there is one point on y-axis. There is a point on y-axis which is at a distance of b units. A point on y-axis, we don't know. A point on y-axis is at a b unit distance from the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. You have to find that point. Which is that point? So a simple question, but if you have to take it very clearly. So first of all, a point on y-axis, a point on y-axis is in the form of how it will be. Any point on y-axis is the form of
0, comma 1.
0, comma
very
y.
good. 0, comma y. Since already here a is there, x is there, y is there, b is there, we'll take some other term. Either we can take k 0, comma k or 0, comma beta. So I take it as 0, comma k. So I'll take p is equal to 0, comma k. So this is my point on y-axis. Now what they are telling is this point on y-axis is p units from this line. So this point on y-axis is b units from this line. That means there is one line, there is one point somewhere here. This point to this one, the perpendicular distance they are given as a b units. Therefore, that b using that one, we have to find out what type of point is this one. Okay, that will be again d is equal to mod of. I'll write it directly instead of the formula since most of you, all of you know the formula. My a value is 1 by a, 1 by a plus into 0 is 0 plus b value is 1 by b into k. This one if I come here, this will be minus 1 whole divided by root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So if you simplify this one, you will get it as if you simplify this one, you will get it as uh, 1 by k by b minus 1. I take this mod whole divided by, here it will be a square plus b square whole divided by a square b square. So this square root is there. So this mod is there here. So that is equal to, if you simplify this one, this will be k minus b by b. If I remove the square root, we only square root of a square plus b square. B get cancelled. So mod is there for numerator. And if we can take it for the entire different mod, because square root is there, no? Again, plus or minus is coming down. So here what they're telling is the entire distance they are telling is b units. Therefore, what is left out is here b is equal to k minus b by b. So what is the denominator will cross multiply? That is equal to into mod of root of a square plus b square by a. So this b is cancelled now. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
can you tell me why did you write under root a square plus b square by a into b?
Take the square root. What is the square root of a square and b square?
No, sir, I'm not talking about that thing, sir. In the last step, what you write? A under root a square.
BB is cancelled. What is left out is what? Look at this step. Observe
Yeah,
that step.
sir, I understood, sir. But here, why did you write on the left hand side b, sir?
Cross multiply, man. This is the form of 3 by 3 by 2 is equal to 1. That means you cross multiply. This 3 by 2 will go here, no? Basic mathematics. Are you getting it? Vignesh?
Yes, sir.
So now you have to simplify this one. Now if you simplify what happens here exactly. So this will be is equal to, just a minute. We'll clear the board because we need a little extra space to write. Right? Maybe it's not. Alright, we'll use this space only. So now I want the value of k. So what I will do is I'll bring this b this side. So first of all, I have to remove the mod. Therefore, what happens? It becomes root of a square plus b square by a into our b is there, no? So that b will be here. Okay. Then now I'm removing the mod. Since I'm removing the mod, I'll put that plus or minus this side. So this will become plus or minus. So this minus b, if it comes this side, will become plus b. Instead of writing here, I'll write before this plus or minus. Therefore, becomes b plus or minus root of a square plus b square by a. Therefore, this will give me k. Miss, what is my k value? My k value is b plus or minus root of a square plus b square by a. Or else, if you want to write it in a simplified manner, k is equal to b plus or minus b by a into root of a square plus b square. So therefore, my point on y-axis was p 0 comma k, that is equal to 0 comma b plus or minus b by a into root of a square plus b square. Do you understand? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go for the next question. Like this question only you'll get in the mains exam. Hmm? So they not ask any complicated question. There are no topics what you know only. They just twist it and they ask it. Next question. Right? A point on a straight line. A point on a straight line. 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. A point in the straight line 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. So the point of the straight line 3x plus 5y is equal to 15 is equidistant from coordinate axes. Is equidistant from coordinate axes. From both the axes it is equidistant. Excuse me. It is equidistant from coordinate axes. Then the point will lie in which quadrant? Okay, there are given 4 options. Question is simple. The point on the straight line, this is a straight line. The second condition they give is first condition is the point is lying in the straight line. Second condition that they given is point is equidistant from the coordinate axes. So I'm taking this one from this axis, both the axes, the point is equidistant. That is what they're telling. First, we'll take the second condition. If point is equidistant from both the coordinate axes, how do you represent that one? Actually, we have discussed in the starting types of equations. We have solved this problem in the locus also. The point is equidistant from line. Excuse me. So a point is equidistant from the coordinate axes. What type it will be? Hello. No response.
Mod X or mod Y.
Mod X or not mod Y? Mod X is equal to mod Y. You don't know which part of the line is. That is in the upper part or down part. That is left or right side. But they are telling that the point is on the line. So it will is equal to mod X is equal to mod Y. This is the condition they given. Now they're telling that the point is on what is this called as this line. So we'll take this line equation. What is the line equation? 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. So from this, we solve the line equation. From this line equation, we'll solve the line equation and we'll find at least one value. So what happens? This will be is equal to, let us say, 5y is equal to 15 minus 3x. So that will be is equal to, y is equal to 15 minus 3x by 5. You can take it for x or y, anything. I am taking it for y. So I got my y value. So we'll apply this y value in our given condition. What is the condition? Mod x is equal to mod y is equal to mod x is equal to, what is my mod y value? My mod y value is 15 minus 3x by 5. Now remove the mod sign, you get plus or minus. Therefore, what happens? X is equal to plus or minus of that. We cross my okay, plus or minus of 15 minus 3x by 5. 15 minus 3x by 5. If you cross multiply, it will be 5x is equal to plus or minus 15 minus 3x. This is equal to, so take the two conditions, case 1, case 2. In the case 1, what happens? This will become as, excuse me, this will become in the case 1, it will become as 8x is equal to 15. That would become x is equal to 15 by 8. In next condition, it becomes it become as 2x is equal to minus 15. Therefore, x will become as minus 15 by 2. So we from this we'll get mod x is equal to, from this we got x, therefore you know that mod x is equal to mod y. Therefore, that means if we remove that is x is equal to y, therefore the points will become as either 15 by 8 comma 15 by 8, or else the points will become as minus 15 by 2 comma minus 15 by 2. Now tell me, the points are lying in which quadrant?
Third.
So is it third quadrant?
There are negative also. So
No. Is it third quadrant? Look at this one. You got one more point here. The point is lying in which quadrant?
second.
Second,
Third quadrant.
third quadrant. Sure. The point lies either in first quadrant or in third quadrant. This is
First
the answer.
quadrant. First
Yes.
quadrant. Or
We have got two
this
things here. We are taking my
Positive,
second point.
positive and negative, sir.
So, what is called as the point lies either in the first quadrant or third quadrant. What everybody told answer was there. One answer is first quadrant is there. One answer is third quadrant is there. One answer first or third quadrant is there. Another answer both first and third quadrant is there. This is how the options comes in the exam. And this was asked in which exam? JEE Mains 2020. That's how the options will come. After getting the answer, you will get the wrong answers there. As I told you about regarding area, how they give the options trickingly. Huh? I don't know whether it is regarding area or the length thing. I don't know exactly how the options give. They can give options trickingly. Now you got the answer. See how the options are given. One option is first or third. One option is first. One option is third. Another option is first and third. So is it first and third or first or third? Is it option A or option D? Tell me the answer now. Is it option A or option D? Option A is
option D, sir.
option B. Va?
D.
D. Why option D?
Both are
How can a point be in first quadrant as well as in third quadrant? I give one example. Huh? Now you are in a school. How can you be in a school at the same time? And how can you be at a playground playing cricket at the same time? Is it possible? Is it possible?
no, sir. Not
Ah.
possible, sir.
Either you can be in the school or else you have to be in the playground. Same thing. Either the point should be in the first quadrant or else the point should be in the third quadrant. Clear, no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Thing is clear? Hello? So the answer is
Yes,
what?
sir.
The answer is option A. Huh? So with regard to the straight lines, You will get options like this only. I'm telling very clearly, straight line questions you will get options like this only. Okay, we go to the next question.
Sir, which coordinate?
Pardon?
Answer. Answer.
Answer is option A, either in the first quadrant or third quadrant, or overall.
Okay, sir.
Actually, this one we have done a few days back, locus of midpoint. Let me try to give this as a homework. Let us see. The locus of a midpoint of the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Y sin, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Just a minute. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p is a constant intercepted within the axis. P is a constant. This line is intercepted within the axis. That means we're telling the line is of this sort and this is p. This line's midpoint locus you have to find out. You have to find this line's midpoint locus. Please take it as a homework. Actually, we have done this one. A lot of problems on this one. I think day before yesterday or else on Tuesday. Locus and midpoint of same equations we have done it. So can you take this question as a homework? You have to find the locus of midpoint of this line, which is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p is a constant. For your help, I have drawn the diagram on the right hand side. So no need of finding the value of p because there is no given condition to find the value of p. Therefore, your equation will be in the form of x, y, and p. No need of finding the value of p because there is no condition to find the value of p. Rather, you can your equation will be in the form of x, y, and p. Okay, next question we'll take. The algebraic sum of perpendicular distance. The algebraic sum of perpendicular distance from A, B, C. The algebraic sum of perpendicular distance from A, B, C to one line, to some line is 0. Algebraic sum of perpendicular distances of A, B, C to one line, to some line is 0. Then the line passes through what? There are given different conditions, different options. Means there is one line, and let us say from A, B, C, the perpendicular distance. The perpendicular distance. If you take this sum is equal to 0. And the line is passing through that one. Then what is that is this is a condition. The perpendicular distance of perpendicular distance from A and sorry, this is I have taken from A, B, and so on. Means the perpendicular distance from this one, this one, this one, this one. This perpendicular distance sum is 0. If this perpendicular distance from A, B, C is 0, then what is the line? That line is going to be. That line is passing through which one? Or that line is intersecting on which one? that line is coincident on this one, or is that line is parallel to which one? That we have to find it out. So we'll take 3 points. That all that my line is passing through A, B, C. Listen, perpendicular distance from A, B, C is there. So we'll take A, B, C as this one. Let us take A is equal to x1, comma y1. Just a minute. Let us take A is equal to x1, comma y1. B is equal to x2, comma y2. C is equal to x3, comma y3. So we got A, B, C, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now what they're telling, this to one line to some line, the perpendicular distances are sum is 0. So we'll take a general line ax plus by is equal to c. Ax plus by is equal to c. If I simplify this one, it will become as ax plus by. Okay, we'll take it as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 only, the normal line. Plus c is equal to 0. First standard equation of the line. So from this line, the perpendicular distance of all the other lines are sum is 0. So based on the condition, that is first line's perpendicular distance will be mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square plus ax2 plus by2 plus c by root of a square plus b square plus this one is equal to mod of ax3 plus by3 plus c
C
by root of a square
by
plus b square
B
is equal to 0.
square.
Correct, no? Yes or no? If I take LCM, if I cross multiply, my left hand side will become 0. The left out is mod is there. Since mod is there, we can add everything within the mod. Correct, no? Mod A plus mod B plus mod C is equal to mod of A plus B plus C. You know it, no? So that we will do it. So this will be equal to ax1 plus by1 plus ax2 plus by2 plus ax3 plus by3 plus by3. So ax3 plus by3 plus 3c. C plus c plus c is equal to 3c is equal to 0. I'll take a mod outside, it becomes plus or minus that side, it means 0. So therefore, what is left out is, I'll take common here. A, if I take a common, x1 plus x2 plus x3. If I take b common, it is y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus 3c is equal to 0. So what I will do, I'll divide the entire equation by 3. So let us see what happens. It will become as a x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 plus b into y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3 plus 3c by c is equal to c is equal to 0. So if you look carefully, see, I am going to simplify this equation for you now. That will be is equal to simplify the equation a is a into x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 plus b into y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 plus c is equal to 0. So I compare this equation with the standard equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So comparing this equation with the standard equation, now what is my x and y? What is my x comma y? X comma y is what?
x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3
That means x
by
comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So now tell me, what is this x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma, y1
Centriole.
plus y2 plus y3 by 3? That is,
Centriole.
this is the point of a centroid. That means my line is passing through which one?
Centriole.
My line is passing through centroid. Therefore, the answer is the given line is passing through the centroid of the triangle ABC. Do you understand? So this was also asked in the recent mains exam. That is in the year uh, not recent, 16, 2016. Mains exam, 16. So with this, we'll stop. Shall we get one more homework? One more question as a homework today? We have taken only one question. We take one more question as an homework. Hello. Shall we take one question as an homework? Okay. We'll take one question as a homework. Is the base of an isosceles triangle. Okay. This also we have done. It's not same question. Of that type we have done both in level 1 also, in level 2 also. The base of an isosceles triangle. The base of an isosceles triangle is 2a. The base of an isosceles triangle is 2a. The length they given. The length of the altitude to the base. The length of the altitude to the base is h. The base of the isosceles triangle. Triangle is isosceles triangle. The base of an isosceles triangle is length is 2a. The altitude to the base. Altitude to the base is h. The distance from the midpoint to the base. Okay, from midpoint to the base distance. Therefore, what you have to find is the distance from the midpoint or from midpoints, base midpoint to one of the sides distance you have to find. Either this side or this side. No problem, because both the side is isosceles triangle. So we have to find this distance length. From the midpoint to next side of the isosceles triangle, we have to find the what is called as length. What length this will be is equal to. If I name this as A, B, C, and if I name this as O and P, you have to find the distance of OP. What is the distance of OP? So this is the homework question. So I have got two homework question. One is this one. The another one is equation. You have to find the equation of the locus of midpoint of the line. So with this we conclude the class today. Arun sir. Okay, we'll meet on Monday. So kindly do present for the test regularly, and without knowing the formulas, I don't know how you are attending the test. That is another thing. So kindly learn the formulas, line equations, and do attend the test seriously. As I told earlier, the entire straight lines will be for test. So we will meet on Monday. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Arun sir.
Arvind sir.